Good day, folks. Bill Hubbard, Coldwell Banker Executives in beautiful British Columbia. This is your housing market review for the Kootenays for July of 2025. The Kootenays is actually, you could call it one of the stars of the interior of British Columbia. Kootenays is doing better than most of the other areas. There are some areas that are starting to get into that possible recovery area. The Kootenays has been relatively strong. It's certainly not booming or anything like that, but relatively strong compared to some of the other areas. Let's have a look. So if you look at the absorption, the Kootenays has been, up in that balanced range all the way through. Some of the other areas we're going through a correction area or a buyer's market area. And you look at where the absorption has gone since January 15, 19, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. Basically it is at the high area of a balanced market, and maybe a couple of months it's creeped into that seller's market area, but basically we're balanced, but a good strong balanced market in the Kootenays. Sales, it was 163 sales, housing sales in July of 2025. You look back to July of 2024, there's 152, basically flat. It's up a little bit, but July of 2023, 158, again, basically flat, no major differences there. In January, if we look at prices from January to July in 2025, the price was 611,932. And then you look at the prices, the average prices from January to July in 2024, it was 611,958. When I originally did this, I had to go back and check and make sure that the two numbers were actually equal or actually different, because they were both 611,000, and that was a coincidence. So that says that pricing is basically flat. There's a lot of people out there, realtors, that think prices are marching down, and they're just not. Housing prices are basically staying flat in the Kootenays. So that's your market review for the Kootenays for July of 2025.